Hi guys, in this video we are going to do this awesome effort with HTML and CSS guys. Let's go get into the video guys, come on. Okay, I'm start the project with this empty page where no content is there. I'm opening my Visual Studio Code, just closing some things. And what are the thing which I have is the image of the person image and an empty CSS page and an HTML page. Inside the CSS page, for color reference, I'm commenting these two lines because for the color reasons, I'm just commenting this. Okay, let's get started. As some of you know, this is like uh, Emmet with the Emmet plugin. We can do this thing very easily. Yes. Okay, let's go. Guys. Okay, I'm just making changes and making the styles. Okay, okay. Let's verify whether the style has been linked or not. First of all, I would like to apply some default styling. Okay, then for the body part, I would like to, for test purpose, we are doing like this. Okay, let's see whether our style is getting applied or not. Okay, our style is getting applied. Okay, no issues with this. Okay, our CSS is working properly. Okay, let's get started. Okay, for the person card, like to create an div for a person card. Okay, inside that I would like to have the person image and an surrounding circle like a div. Like to have two things like circle and then sorry, not a div, normal image. But person image. Okay, this is the first person image. Okay, this is for a circle and this is the whole div. Okay, let's give some ugly color so that we can know whether our style has been implemented or not. Okay, just the background color of red color and let's give some width of around 250 pixel and a height of around 350 pixel. So let's see whether our thing has been our div has been successfully created. Now I would like to center this div on here. So we know that we can use flexbox to center the things on the page. Okay, I'm going to use the flexbox and parent of the person. As we can see that for the person parent is body, so we are going to make the body as a display flex. So display flex, okay, and I would like to center the thing. So flex direction of something. This doesn't matter. For column and row, we are going to just center the things. Center, just wait content, align items. So center. Now it will be not be centered because the height of the parent is not defined. So this thing will not be centered. So I'm going to given height for a parent that is mean height of 100 VH plus as in this. Okay. Okay, just fake content. Sorry guys. Just fake content center. Now our div has been centered successfully. Okay. Now we would like to uh, change the style for this thing. for the circle class. As you know, the circle class can give the width of like no can give the width of like parent 250 pixel. The height also 250 pixel. Now border radius of 50% so that it will be like on circle. That's why we are going 50 pixel. Okay, okay. Background color is not defined. So the background color of black. That means we can see the color clearly. Okay, this is our circle. Okay, it's nice. Then for our person, we should like use our person. Oh, like we're going to images as person. Okay, or Wednesday images here. Okay, next I would like to contain this thing into this person. So we are going to make the display property of both the person image and the circle to be absolute. So person image. Okay, let's go guys. Person image. Uh, Position. Sorry, position. Let's make to absolute so that it will not be taking the space which it is needed. Okay, let's make this position absolute, and we should make this that circle div also on position of absolute. Circle div also position of absolute. Okay, we made this correctly. Then what would I like to do is I like to reduce the size of the person image. Let's go guys. I person image. Um, so reduce the width to like 60%. This trial and error we can see which person is going or not. Okay, wait, wait. Okay, okay. That made the parent of question absolute. So I fixed relative to the parent. So now it is fixed. Okay, 65%. Okay, now we can see that somewhat images like centering. You can see. Now what I would like to do is for this no this we are going to apply the display property of flex. We are going to center the items display flex and justify content we center. I think so. This will center the items. Yes, person is centered. Now we are going to make this circle and person to come down. Now we are going to use like and this will make it to be come with the circle to the end. Share here. Okay. Now what are we going to do is like okay, okay. Now I still like to reduce the image to 60%. Let's see what happened. Okay, okay. Then circle, let's see, like let's increase the height to 350 pixel or no, it is okay. Let's see, bottom of zero. This cannot. Okay, it's not a problem because we are going to like cut the person. So this should be not a problem for us. Let's see if there is anything we can do. Okay, person images. Okay, okay, circles also. Okay, no issue with this thing. Okay, perfect. Okay, now what are we going to do is like we are going to hide the overflow that on the snow. You can see that image is overflowing. We are going to make crop a section of the overflow so that this thing will not be shown to the person. So we are going to make this rectangle now, or like pill shape. How we can do is like by applying that border radius, border. Yes, we are going to do in bottom. Okay, bottom left. When you give higher pixel means it will become pill shape. So we are going to do 1000 pixel means okay, it will become the pill shape. As you can see, pill shape is coming now. So we are going to do it on both sides. Let's copy this thing and I'll make it right. Okay, now it will be on both sides. You can see my pill shape is on both sides. Now it is clear. Next thing, what are we going to do is like we are going to make our overflow now for this thing. Then so see this cat is not overflowing out of the content. You can see clearly. Now what we can do is change the color of this red color. So I'm going to remove this color. If you remove, you can see thing is not showing. Next thing, like let's keep this color. We will change this background color. This color is I'm using radial gradient. Radial gradient gives this like that cool effect, like background. We are instead of plain black, we are using gradient. So radial gradient, you can see that circle like thing. You can see in background. Okay, we are I'm using this color. For the color only, I'm just copying the code. Okay, okay. Then we are also going to reduce the height because we are not going to expand the person image fully. So little bit of height is enough. So I'm going to reduce the height of this height to like 300 pixels enough. I think so. Okay, this is enough for me. Okay, now okay, I'm going to remove this person. I just keep this color. Then only we can clearly see what happened. Okay, when the card this person no this person get over, I would like to scale the uh, image size. Like that's what I'm going to do. When the person gets over, I would like to scale the person image. Yes, I would like to scale the person image. I would like to scale the person image to like this pixel, like image. Okay, okay. I like to scale like transform, translate. Sorry, transform scale of this normal scale. This means it will happen on both sides. So like to scale something like this. Let's see what happens. Okay, but I would like to this character should be going top, so I like to keep something higher, like scale of 0.4. So it would be going like this. Okay, nice. But this effort is so soon. But I would like to reduce the speed. So we are going to like have the smooth effect. For that, we are going to apply the transition effect. I'm going to apply it on this thing like person image. Let's go, guys. Okay, transition all frame millisecond and linear. It will be like equally. See, if we want, we can speed up it. Okay, like 300 millisecond. Uh, okay, nice. If we want, we can do this. Or we can have 2 of TMS at millisecond. 250 millisecond. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Then I would like to remove this color. Come on, guys. Okay, our card is ready, guys. You can see this awesome effect, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure to subscribe this channel and do share this video, guys. Bye bye.